Welcome to New Car Latest Update, where we bring you exclusive insights into the latest automotive releases. Today we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air pickup truck, a perfect blend of classic American style and modern utility. Let's explore this masterpiece in detail. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air pickup truck reimagines a classic with a modern twist. It combines the vintage charm of the original Bel Air with the rugged functionality of a pickup truck. With its striking design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features, this vehicle is a standout choice for those who crave nostalgia and practicality in one package. Front view. At the front, the 2025 Bel Air pickup truck boasts a bold and commanding presence. Its signature chrome grille, inspired by the iconic Bel Air design, is complemented by sleek LED lights that wrap around the edges for a modern touch. The hood features subtle sculpting, giving the truck a muscular yet refined appearance. The front bumper incorporates fog lights and a chrome accent, adding to its classic meets modern appeal. Backside. Moving to the rear, the back of the truck is both stylish and functional. The bed features a retro-inspired tailgate with Bel Air elegantly embossed in chrome. LED taillights are seamlessly integrated into the design, offering a sleek and modern look. The rear bumper includes a step for easy access to the bed, while the overall design ensures durability and utility without compromising style. Interior view. Inside, the 2025 Bel Air pickup truck offers a cabin that blends vintage aesthetics with state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard is a nod to the original Bel Air, featuring retro-style dials alongside a large touchscreen for navigation and entertainment. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching provide ultimate comfort, while ambient lighting adds a sophisticated touch. The spacious interior includes ample storage options, making it as practical as it is stylish. Right view. From the right side, the truck showcases its sleek and well-proportioned profile. Bold character lines run along the doors, connecting the front and rear seamlessly. The chrome-accented side mirrors and door handles add a touch of elegance. Large, polished alloy wheels and all-terrain tires enhance its rugged appeal while ensuring a smooth ride on any surface. Left view. On the left side, the flowing lines and balanced design are equally captivating. The cab and bed are perfectly integrated, maintaining a cohesive look. Subtle chrome trim around the windows adds a touch of sophistication, while the wide stance emphasizes stability and performance. The left view highlights the truck's classic heritage combined with modern engineering. Thank you for watching New Car Latest Update. For more reviews and updates on the latest vehicles redefining the automotive industry, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting content.